ASUS RTX 5050 review. Tiny card, monster moves. Can this budget beast really deliver? You know that soul-crushing moment when your old GPU wheezes mid-match, frames drop to single digits, and your squad starts roasting you in chat? It's not just the lag, it's the betrayal. You've poured hours into perfecting your setup, only for your graphics card to tap out like a tired boxer in round 2. Now you're stuck squinting at blurry textures, listening to fans scream like a jet engine, and wondering if upgrade is code for sell a kidney. Frustration builds, motivation tanks, and fun? Yeah, that's long gone. Deadlines don't wait. Your stream schedule is tight, your next tournament looms, and your editing backlog could crush a small car. Every stutter, crash, and overheating panic eats away at your focus. Meanwhile, you're losing matches, viewers, and patience fast. Burnout starts whispering in your ear. Friends pull off silky 100 plus FPS gameplay while you're stuck with a slideshow. Opportunities slip through your fingers because your rig can't keep up. It's not just annoying. It's expensive in missed wins, missed subs, and missed moments you can't ever get back. Enter the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5050 8GB GDDR6 OC Edition, the mid-range GPU that punches way above its weight. Powered by NVIDIA's ADA Lovelace architecture with DLSS 4, 3rd Gen RT cores, and 4th Gen Tensor cores, it delivers blistering 1080p performance and even flirts with light 1440p. Its 8GB GDDR6 memory on a 128-bit bus runs at 18 gigabits per second, feeding frames through PCIe 5.0 for future-proof bandwidth. Dual Axial-tech fans with dual ball bearings keep temps cool and noise low, backed by 0 decibel technology for silent cruising. Flip the dual BIOS for performance or quiet mode. Built with auto extreme precision, it's SFF-ready, AV1, encoder-equipped, and pre-overclocked out of the box. In short, it's fast, cool, quiet, and small enough to fit anywhere your gaming life takes you. Gamers call it the best value 1080p GPU in its class, praising its 100 plus FPS in esports titles and surprisingly solid ray trace performance with DLSS 4. Influencers rave about fitting it in SFF builds while keeping temps 5 degrees Celsius cooler than reference cards. Industry analysts note its PCIe 5.0 future-proofing and unmatched acoustics, the quietest mid-range card we've tested. Streamers love the AV1 encoding for crisp, low bitrate streams, while content creators report zero-coil whine and marathon-stable editing sessions. Overclocking enthusiasts? They've pushed it past 3.3 GHz, beating even older flagship GPUs in benchmarks. Whether you're raiding in Destiny 2, streaming Valorant to Twitch, or editing 4K footage, the RTX 5050's compact design, whisper-quiet fans, and dual BIOS flexibility make it a rare blend of performance and peace of mind. Want to see why pros and casuals alike won't shut up about it? Stock moves fast, and for good reason. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5050 is dominating the mid-range scene. Thousands of gamers, streamers, and creators have already leveled up without emptying their wallets. Don't get left watching from the sidelines while others enjoy smooth frames, cooler temps, and near-silent operation. Limited supply means hesitation can cost you your upgrade. Seize the chance, join the wave, and experience a card built for speed, stealth, and serious value. Act now. Your next win, clip, or masterpiece is one GPU swap away.